Welcome to this tutorial on extracting and displaying STL file vertices. If you're working with 3D models and need to access their vertex data, this video is for you. Upload your STL file from your computer or drag and drop a file to Google Colab. File is loaded successfully. Next, we'll install numpy-stl, a library that helps us read and process STL files. Ensure that the STL file is uploaded. This defines the file path of the STL file named cuboid.stl, assuming it's uploaded to Google Colab. This function loads the STL file as a mesh object, making it easier to extract vertices, faces, and other geometric properties. This extracts the triangular faces from the STL file. Next function removes duplicate rows from the vertices array. This converts the numpy array into a pandas data frame. It displays the data frame. The problem is with the file name, it is case sensitive. Rename the file and rerun the Python code. And that's it. You've successfully extracted and displayed vertex data from an STL file, using Google Colab. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.